Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Thanksgiving. Well, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Today we are just prepping food and dessert. I'm making my pumpkin cinnamon rolls. Also, yesterday Pops bought a brand new car. Well, he bought a 2023 Land Rover Discovery Sport. I'm gonna show you that. And right now I am headed out to get my haircut. My Pops bought a brand new Land Rover Discovery. This is the outside.
Yeah, let's go.
This is the inside. It's so nice. Here's the sunroof. Oh, how big is the trunk? Oh, it comes with a little cargo bag.
Yeah, there's something in here. We gotta look through that out.
Oh, okay.
Got
Nice.
the wheel locks. All right.
Nice.
All right.
And it's gas?
Spare in there. There's regular gas, honey.
Oh,
they only
okay.
gave me a quarter tank, so you gotta fill it up. And
Oh snap! It opens like that, and then you push it to close it. This.
That's it.
Oh, so it's like the Lincoln.
It's beautiful, honey. My glasses I got.
It's a Sport, Discovery Sport. Nice. The back is spacious, and there is USB-C ports and a cigar plug. That's cool.
Put on the
Oh, that sounds nice. You got your CarPlay set up. Things work great. Oh, it's wireless too. You don't have to have it plugged in. That's great. My appointment.
Everyone knows.
Literally. Hello.
Hello.
All done. Here's my fade. It looks so good. I'm getting Starbucks now. I'm gonna coffee. Yep, thank you. And also, if they have the teddy bear cup. I don't see it, but this is cute. Look at this. Limited edition ceramic mug. Cute. This is cute too. $21.95. Got me and my mom's drink. I got a venti iced sugar cookie latte with sugar cookie cream cold foam, and for mom I got a brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso with brown sugar cream cold foam. This cute Starbucks ornament I picked up when I got me and mom our coffee. Starbucks logo in the front. On the back it says the Starbucks Coffee Company. Let me take out the packaging so you can see what's inside the mug. It's got a heart, like a cappuccino. Isn't that cute? So cute. Ornament for the Christmas tree. I am in the kitchen making the pumpkin cinnamon rolls for Thanksgiving tomorrow. I make these every year. They are so delicious. My pumpkin cinnamon roll dough has risen, doubled in size. I am going to roll it out into a large rectangle and make the filling. The dough is rolled out to a large rectangular-ish shape. It's not a perfect rectangle, but it's good enough. I just made the filling. So I'm going to put the filling on. And I'm going to spread it out everywhere. I put the filling on. I had to make more filling because it wasn't enough. Now I'm going to roll it. I made the roll the log. Now I'm going to cut them into 12 large rolls and put them on the buttered glass baking dish. I put them in the pan. They already started rising, but I'm gonna cover them and let them rise some more. And then when they're done rising, I'm gonna cover it with some plastic wrap and put it in the fridge and bake them tomorrow. I've got the mini bowl, and with I'm going to make the maple cream cheese frosting. Mix this first. I mix that together. Now I'm gonna add powdered sugar. Start with that much. I'm gonna mix it. Gotta do it on a low speed, because if you go too fast, you'll get poof, just cloud of powdered sugar and powdered sugar everywhere. Start slow and then you can bring it up higher. I'm gonna have to add more powdered sugar. Stop it. Add more. Okay, and go again. The frosting is not thick enough, it's still runny. And I used a whole 16-ounce 1-pound bag of powdered confectioner sugar. So I'm gonna add some more of my powdered sugar container. I'm gonna add the rest of this. I'm gonna start with this, and then I have another bag if I need it, which I think I might have to open up. I have to fill this up anyway, but I don't think so. All done with the maple cream cheese frosting. I did have to open the other pack of powdered sugar. This is the perfect thickness, consistency. I'm gonna put it in this container and put it in the fridge. The pumpkin cinnamon rolls have fully risen. I'm gonna cover it with some plastic wrap and put it in the fridge and bake them tomorrow morning. It's the next day. Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. I got ready, did my makeup. This is my outfit. I'm wearing the American Eagle X Travis Kelce True Colors button down silk dress shirt, and then the American Eagle X Travis Kelce True Colors brown cargo pant with brown dress boots. And that's my outfit. On our way, everybody.
When the Land Rover, you heard?
Oh my god.
Land Rover Discovery Sport. What's coming?
Wireless charging pad. Put it there, and then charge it. There it goes, charging. Pretty cool. System map on the dash here. We have Apple Maps for it. That's pretty cool. Have it both places. Made it to Long Island to Nassau County.
Back up.
Look at all these delicious treats.
It's work on both sides.
Mom and Dad are playing beer hockey.
I'm surprised it has drink holders down right there.
Where? Oh. Here's my bed on this side. Oh!
Oh!
Yeah, almost.
Oh, good job.
Okay, I'm wear down.
Mom win.
That was fun.
My sister's jalapeno dip.
Recycle?
Behind the fridge.
Open the bottle.
Open, yeah. Open it.
Can we just put that bucket over here?
Delicious. Stuffed mushrooms. Delicious. I love a stuffed mushroom.
And there's no beer, that's
Housewarming
it.
gift.
I need to use that.
This one, right?
Sorry, Grandma, you okay?
All this
Anything
stuff
big,
on
please.
this.
Thank you.
Oh, this one's so
Dude, nice.
Oh, I don't have that. I mean, oh my God. You know?
Oh, look
Wait a
at
second.
that. They have
I'm
vents.
coming.
Nice.
She wants me to feed.
Come to Theo. Come here. You can do it. Come here.
He's looking at Autumn's first.
William, Michael's coming to you. Look. Good job.
Oh.
Yay. My sister makes sweet potatoes with marshmallows.
Yes, no? Try a little bit. You might love it.
I want marshmallows.
Michael also made stuffing. Everybody really enjoyed it.
Oh my God, what's that?
Grandma
That's a
also
giant
made
cookie!
It's alright.
My pumpkin cinnamon rolls just came out of the oven. Here are other desserts. My pumpkin cinnamon roll with maple cream cheese sauce was so delicious.
You have to flip the last cup. When you get to the red cup, you have to flip it. Whoever flips it first wins. Only the red cup? Only the red cup you have to flip.
You're not playing?
Are
You
you
guys
marked?
ready?
Get set,
On your
go!
marks, get set, go! I'm gonna be dead. Almost.
Oh,
You guys got this.
I'm being sabotaged.
William, move. She's playing. Wait.
This is a baby roll.
Guys, go nice and easy. Why are you guys going so rough? It's a plastic cup.
It's competition.
She got
Oh my god!
You got the marshmallow. Wait, who won that one? Debbie? I did.
Second try.
Okay, who's going next?
I wasn't expecting that.
Haley and Debbie?
Come on, guys.
Bro.
Oh, that one is stopped. There you go. All right, guys, start flipping. Hurry up before she flips. Shit.
Oh, come on, Haley! Come on, David!
Good job.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go! Right, we have to flip it. Yeah. Until it's like this again.
Ready? I'm gonna say it. On your mark. Get set.
Go!
All right, flip it. Come on,
It's a tie.
Good job.
Where have you been? You didn't want to play?
You don't want a professional like me. Trust me.
All right, Haley against Jack.
I lost.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, Emma's alcoholic. She should know this. Beat that old man.
Second old.
called you old. That's he stood up.
It's still going. I've played this game a million times by now.
Oh my God.
What's that song?
Come on, guys. Come on.
Goddamn.
Oh, the time. No mercy.
No, none of
Keep alcohol.
Hustler, you
Hold it, Justin. No, hold on.
Oh, he won!
Oh, I'm so close.
Danny, you should have left that obstacle away.
That's the wrong way.
No, 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 ways up.
Yes, come on, bro.
Riley!
Hold the stick, just hold the stick.
Oh yeah, they're playing beer pong. Not beer pong, ping pong.
Yes, I can. Alright, and we can do that.
I meant ping pong. Aaliyah and Autumn are playing air hockey.
I am. No, you're going to try. Okay, look, Dave.
Liam and Autumn are playing.
Oh, this is a good one.
Get it.
I'm still going.
No, William, like this. Ready? Let Theo show you. Come. Let Theo show you. Theo, go like this. Ready? Ready? Out there. There, like that.
Hey, give me that. Give me that little tiny ball. We're playing with that tiny little ball.
Plug and play?
What does that mean?
If you plug, you play. So did you have to?
It's the next day. Good morning. We got home last night. We took showers and we crashed. We went to bed. We was tired. Now I am eating leftovers for lunch. We didn't get a lot of leftover Thanksgiving food. I mean, we got a decent amount of sides, but we only got ham, and we got a little bit of ham. We didn't get no turkey, so I said, you know what? I'll have some rice, a couple pieces of ham, and I'll also have pateles, which I am boiling right now, because I don't want to take all the ham, because I know Pups and Bum need to eat. But yeah, lunch is served.
Thank you, Justin.
Lunch is served. Pops went to Grandma's house this morning. She made rice with beans. She made ham and sweet potato. He also stopped at the bakery, picked up some bread and some pastelillos. Lunch was delicious. We had a great Thanksgiving yesterday. My Theo's new house is so nice. It's not fully done. He's still doing renovations to his house. But what's nice was the previous owner did some renovations on the house. So he doesn't have to do a whole house renovation, since the previous owner did some renovations in parts of the house. Also, our new 2023 Land Rover Discovery Sport is so nice. You know, driving it from here all the way to Long Island to Nassau County to my deals for Thanksgiving, it drives so smooth. And we are still learning new things, new features about the car. And also, there's that sunroof, and it's called a panoramic sunroof. I was looking up to what type of sunroof it is, because there's panoramic, there's like moon roofs, I think is another one. There's a few different types of sunroof, and that one's a panoramic, which is the whole like front to the back sunroof, and it doesn't open, like it's just a glass on top, and you can push the button to have the, I guess, shade or whatever open, or you can keep it, you know, closed. But it's so nice. Today is also Black Friday. We don't go Black Friday shopping because there's crazy people out there, and plus I feel like with Black Friday there's no like real like discount like you would think. Like, oh, like for example, if a TV is like $1,200, like $200 off is nothing. Like, I feel like it should be like, if it's $1,200, it should be like $500, Steve. You know what I mean? That when I think of Black Friday, I think of like a big steep discount, you know? But a lot of the time it's just like, yeah, $200 off a TV. So it's, to me, that's like I'm almost paying regular price. You know what I mean? 23 Land Rover Discovery Sport is red because my pop's favorite color is red burgundy, and with our old, you know, 2004 Lincoln Navigator, it was also red, like burgundy color, because that's pop's favorite color. So that's why he also got the 2023 Land Rover Discovery Sport in red, because he just loves that color. And I do love that this is an all blacked out 2023 Land Rover Discovery Sport. Like, the Discovery on the front and the back, and the word sport on the back is all in black letters. I love that. And I also love that Land Rover puts like their like logo all over the car. Like on the front of the car, the logo is on the like grill, and then on both sides of the passenger door next to it, like on the back side, there's a logo, and then on like the trunk right next to like where the license plate is, there's also a logo. I love that. Also, the 2023 Land Rover Discovery Sport has an auto start stop technology. So when you're on the road driving and you stop at a red light, or you're stopped in traffic, the engine will shut off, and the engine shuts off to improve fuel usage and reduce emission. Our old 2004 Lincoln Navigator didn't have that feature, and my sister's 2019 Kia Optima doesn't have that feature. So this was new to us because we've never driven in a car with that feature. So every time we would stop, the engine would shut off, and then every time we would, you know, start moving again, the engine would turn back on. So yeah, I guess that's, you know, all new cars nowadays have a auto start stop feature. But anyways, I'm gonna close out the video here. Bye bye, peace out.